struggling to get clicks on your YouTube videos? Your titles might be the problem. So in this video, I'm sharing a simple 5-step formula to help you write titles that will grab attention, spark curiosity, and drive views. Let's dive in. Titles are your first impression on YouTube. No matter how great your content is, if your title doesn't grab attention, your video gets ignored. But there is good news. Crafting click-worthy titles isn't a mystery. So let's look at how you can use the click formula to create titles that work every time. Oh, and stick around till the end because I've got a free downloadable cheat sheet that will make this whole process even easier for you. Step 1, capture curiosity. The first step is all about curiosity. A great title makes people think, I need to know more. It sparks curiosity and intrigue and makes the viewer want to learn more about the topic. The easiest way to do this is to use questions or intriguing statements that create a sense of mystery or urgency, like, what happens when you upload a video every day for 30 days? Or, I tried this secret strategy and my channel exploded. The key is to make people wonder what's inside the video without being misleading. And as a bonus, if you want a comprehensive list of words that you can use to evoke curiosity in your viewers, stick around till the end where I share my YouTube title cheat sheet. Step 2, leverage keywords. Next, you need to leverage keywords. These are the terms that your audience is searching for. So think of keywords as a bridge between your content and the viewers that are looking for it. For example, instead of vague titles like how I grew my channel, use how I got 1,000 subscribers in 30 days. The phrase 1,000 subscribers is actually a keyword that people are searching for. You can also use paid tools like vidIQ to find the best keywords to include in your titles. But a free option is to just use the YouTube search bar to find your keywords. All you have to do is start typing a search term in the search bar and the autofill suggestion is your keyword. This is something that viewers on YouTube are actually searching for, and not only is it a great way to find keywords, but it's also a great place to get ideas for new videos. Step 3, invoke emotion. Now, let's talk emotion. People click on videos because they feel something, curiosity, excitement, or even the fear of missing out. So use emotional triggers like urgency, benefits, and challenges. A great example of this is stop making these 5 YouTube mistakes before it's too late. This title evokes fear in the viewer. Are they making a mistake? What happens if they don't fix the problem? Another great example is how I went from 0 to 10K subscribers and what I learned. This title makes the viewer feel hope that they can increase their subscriber count too. It also creates curiosity. Maybe the creator of the video can teach them something that the viewer doesn't already know about getting more subscribers. The bottom line is, if you can evoke the right emotion in your viewer, your videos are more likely to get clicked. Step 4, clarity over cleverness. Here's where many people go wrong. They try to be too clever. While creativity is great, clarity always wins. Your audience should instantly understand what your video is actually about. For example, instead of "this changed my life," say "how this strategy got me 1,000 subscribers." Remember, people don't have time to guess. They scroll quickly through the videos on their homepage, and if the content of your video is not easily identifiable from the title, they'll just keep scrolling until they find something that aligns with what they're looking for. So make sure your title is clear and specific. Step 5, keep it short and snappy. YouTube truncates titles after about 50 or 60 characters, so don't let your most important words get cut off. Trim unnecessary words and get straight to the point. Here is a great example. Instead of how you can easily grow your channel fast, write "grow your channel fast with these tips." Not only are short titles easier to read, but they stand out better in the search results. Bonus tips. Here are a few extra tips to make your titles pop even more. Add numbers, like 7 tips for creating viral titles. Numbers catch the eye and promise value. It also makes it clear to the viewer that they will get 7 tips on the topic. Now, when you deliver 7 awesome tips in your video, the viewer's expectations will be met and they're more likely to click like and subscribe. Use power words like proven, ultimate, or secret. These create excitement and urgency. They also suggest that the tips or strategies you're going to explain are better than the ones the viewer is currently using. If you say, use this proven method to increase views, the viewer can reasonably assume that the method explained in the video has worked multiple times to increase views. Bracketed content helps too. Take 2025 edition, step-by-step guide, or must watch. Putting text inside a bracket draws the viewer's eye to that specific piece of information, and it can be a powerful way to focus the viewer's attention. Another great strategy is to capitalize some words in your title. Putting keywords in your titles in caps makes those words jump out and grab the viewer's attention. You can also add question and exclamation marks. Adding them is another great way to grab the viewer's attention. They can be used to emphasize certain points or statements, and they're a great way to add a little extra punch to your titles. So there you have it, the C.L.I.C formula. Capture curiosity, leverage keywords, invoke emotion, clarity over cleverness, and keep it short and snappy. I'm certain that you're going to be able to create some truly engaging titles with this method, and I know that if you really put in the effort and time to work on your titles, you're going to see your click-through rates and view counts go up. Before I tell you about the free cheat sheet, if this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more free guides, tips, and videos just like this. You can grab your free copy of the title cheat sheet from the link in the description below. Oh, and here's one more tip. If you want to know how to grow your channel faster without a strategy, watch this video next.